Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Yeah, another successful battery swap, and I'm so worried about these batteries. Hopefully tomorrow will be a better day because it'll be in the 40s, so hopefully it won't get that cold. But at least it's nice that the sun's out, because being that the camera's black, it probably is producing some heat upon contact with the sun, keeping the overall structure pretty warm, I hope. But I think I got like I got 1, 2, 3. No, 2 or 3 are done. One's got 50%. 4, 5, 6. Yeah, hopefully we'll have enough. Well, I'm glad to see another cyclist out there. Well, that was the only one. Yeah, I think, guys, yeah, look at that. Some beautiful ponds in there, bridges. So yeah, guys, we're gonna do a good. Wow, this trail's really nice too. I mean, the quality of the asphalt, I meant to say. Yeah, guys, so we're gonna do about a good 2/3 of this trail. We're gonna do a good 2/3 of this here. Okay. So Union Street. Yeah, we're just gonna stay on this path here, guys, because yeah, we're gonna do here. There's a map there, so I shall be very nice. Okay, guys, so yeah, we are right there. Where we're gonna go is we're gonna go all around this way. Come back around the Norman Probstein golf course, come by the art museum, come out this way, come out that way, and then come to this corner of the park and then stop, because there I think will be a direct shot south to the old Italian neighborhood, The Hill, and this place called Fasudo's or something, Fatasso's, which is famous place for these fried toasted raviolis. Or if it's a little bit further down this south, then we're gonna come around and do most of this park, guys. So we're gonna do about a good, I don't know, two-thirds of the park, or maybe a good half, around a good half. All right, so that's there's a listing of everything that's here. Art Museum, Aviation Fields, Boathouse, Central Fields, Grand Basin, Highlands Golf Course, Jewel Box, History Museum, Mooney Nature Playscape, Pagoda Circle, Parks Department, Planetarium, Police Stables, Brobstein Golf, Science Center, Skating Rink, Tennis Center, Visitor and Education Center, World's Fair Pavilion, and Zoo. Oh yeah, guys, so yeah, that's what I forgot to tell you, is that this place was home, yeah, not to the Olympics, this park, but it was home to the same year, 1904 World's Fair. So there we go. We're gonna continue down this path, and yeah, basically we're gonna head up like 3 corners of the 4 corners of the park, guys, and I think that's gonna be enough. It's gonna show you the beauty, you know, what other activities you can do here, and then we can still make it down to the Italian Hill and probably get a frozen custard. But well, what we'll do is we'll grab the frozen custard, but we're not going to eat it here. We're going to eat it at the hotel. Oh, this thing, if you guys look at the map, compared to the city of St. Louis, this thing is gigantic. It is ginormous, as they say. This thing is ginormous for a park. Maybe 3.5, 4 miles around, who knows. But yeah, to the right here, and yeah, look at those homes around Forest Park here, guys, in St. Louis. Yeah, so to the right here will be, very shortly, will be the fountain.